Hello, in this video I want to show you how to link Prism Account with Space Marine 2. And to do this, first you will need to open your main menu. Then in the bottom right corner you can find this prompt, and it says to press tab to open a page in your browser, or actually when you try to pair it with pair the account with the pros, then it will open a QR code right here. I already did it, so it doesn't show the QR code, or actually it does. And if you don't want to use QR code to pair that account, you can press on the tab again, which should pop open your browser, and then just follow the link, log into your Prism account, and then you'll be able to pair it after you log in. It should basically instantly pair it. Then to claim all of the rewards from the Twitch drops, just restart the game. That means just quit the desktop and open it back on, and it should you should see all of the rewards in your armory. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.